In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about another Trinity College Grade 1 exercise 2B, called the Ming Vase. And this one's all about coordination. This one's actually quite fun and easy to play, but it is important to execute the dynamics correctly. Tempo is very easy. Tempo is andante delicato with a measure of 8 T-crotchet beats per minute. So we're going to play this one quite slow at a walking pace. Very important, our hand positions. The third finger is on C, not our thumb, but the third finger. So the left hand goes right there, but the right hand is going to go onto G. So we have third finger on C, middle C, and the thumb of the right hand on G. And we're not going to move our hands except for right at the end when the right hand needs to move up one space to A to do the triad on A. So let's start. Piano first, nice and soft, and this needs to be dolce, meaning that we need to play in a singing tone. It's almost like there's a singer singing the melody line. All the way down decrescendo to piano, holding down that A, as it is not a quaver, it is a crotchet. It is twice the length. Crescendo, rallentando, slower, decrescendo, piano, move up one key to A, and 1, 3, and 5 together for the triad there. So it's very important, the dynamics. Piano, crescendo, mezzo forte, decrescendo, back to the piano. And then crescendo, mezzo piano, start with your rallentando, playing slower and slower and slower, decrescendo to piano, and then that triad needs to be pianissimo, as softly and quiet as possible. But still, the chord needs to be audible. Remember that. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and check out any other videos that might benefit you. Thanks for watching.